and welcome to another cooking demonstration. Tonight we're going to make a chicken and vegetable risotto, and most people don't like risottos because you have to stand and stir continually while you add your stock. Not this one. It's a throw everything in, put it in the microwave and off you go. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do, first of all, we're going to rinse our rice. So I have mentioned this in a previous demonstration, but what we do is we actually run the rice under cold water until it runs clear. And what that does is gets rid of the starch out of the rice before you actually cook it. So I use the sift and store to do this, and you can then do any of your rices, especially if you're going to be cooking things like rice for a fried rice, and it just gets everything out, so then all you have to do is serve it. Away. And that one will go straight in our pressure cooker. Then we're going to add to that our chicken that we've just diced up. We have got some pumpkin. Now I've left a little bit of pumpkin so I can show you. I said about our serrated edge on our peeler. This one here, I'll just show you how easy it is to actually peel the Jack pumpkin. So you just use the serrated part, and very quick and easy at doing so. Let's put that one there in the bin. Chop him up. Once again, using the chef utility knife, and the stipples mean that it doesn't stick to it. So I'll pop that one in there as well. And lastly, we're going to add some onion. Now I've already put half an onion in, but I left this one so I could show you how quick and easy the turbo chef is. So that's as simple as it gets. So put that one in there as well. I'm going to put some salt and pepper and some chicken stock. Now this one here calls for frozen corn, but I didn't have any and I didn't want to go down to the shops, so I prefer to just use what I've got. So I've got a tin of corn, so I'm going to put it in at the end. So when we put the baby spinach in, we'll actually pop that in as well. So I'll just get some stock. Now this one calls for 3.5 cups of stock. So I've just popped some stock powder in there, and just pour that one in. Now once again, that maximum fill line is what we're looking for. So with this one, very important because it needs to have enough space to build up the pressure for it to cook in those conditions, and we don't want to hinder that. Salt. We can always add extra salt at the end. Prefer not to put too much in to start, but with the pepper, some of that, and off we go. So give that a little mix around, and completely under that maximum fill line. Now keep in mind, this one here is our pressure valve indicator. When that's up, we have to wait for that to go down before we can undo it. So lock him up and put him in 900 watts, and that'll go in for 20 minutes, and we'll come back when it's done. Okay, so this one's come out of the microwave and the pressure release valve has gone down. So now we're just going to open him up and add the last of our ingredients. So we've got this one here. Which we're going to add some corn to it. maybe 7-ish. And I think next time, this is the first time I've actually made this recipe, but I think next time I probably wouldn't put quite so much stock in it. It's a little bit more liquidy than my other risottos that I make. I think it'll still be quite a treat. I might even let it stand for another couple of minutes before we serve it. So we've just got the last of this now. We're just going to dish it up and we'll serve with some Parmesan cheese. We've got risotto. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for another one of our episodes in the near future.